AI has completely changed the way we create and consume content online. And in 2025, my favorite niche of AI tools are the AI headshot generators. If you don't know about AI headshot generators, these are basically tools where all you have to do is upload a few selfies, select a few styles, and in less than 24 hours, you will have a bunch of professional photos to choose from. You can use these pictures in your content, on your resume, on your LinkedIn profile to give your online presence a complete makeover. I have been experimenting a lot with AI headshot generators in the past, and today I want to introduce you to a cool new tool that has become my favorite AI headshot generator of late. Curious about what the tool it is? That tool is called PhotoPax AI, and in today's video, I will give you a detailed tutorial of how you can use PhotoPax AI, the kind of results you can expect, and my honest review of using this tool. Excited? Let's get started. The first step is head over to PhotoPax AI by clicking the link in the description of this video or on the first comment. Once you do that, this is the home page that you will see. Looks pretty cool, and the best part is there is also the option for headshot for teams, which basically means if you're looking for headshots for all your team members that look professional in similar lighting and similar background, this is one good option that you can use. Let's take a look at the homepage of PhotoPax AI. So here we can see that they have already created 350k plus headshots. That's pretty cool. We have to upload 10 simple pictures of us, just different angles and expressions. There are some examples, and we'll get 100 professional headshots in a variety of styles and backgrounds. That looks pretty cool. And the package is only $19 for 100 headshots. Wow. I think this is one of the cheapest AI headshot generators I have come across so far. Because only for $19 one time payment we get 100 headshots in 20 settings. The timing is just 24 hours, which means in 24 hours you will have your entire photo shoot ready. I am super excited to try out this cool new tool. So let's get started. I will click on get started. There's the option to sign up, so let's do that. So I get this option of making the payment first. So let's do that. After I have made the payment, I have to click on continue, and then we have to choose our styles and upload our pictures. So first step is selecting your gender. I'll select woman. Then the next step is to select your ethnicity, your eye color, your hair color, and would you like to wear glasses in your AI photos? I think that's a really powerful option to have here because there are some people who always wear glasses, people like me. I want glasses in all of my pictures, so I will select this option, then we'll click on continue. Now I can select some styles that I want my headshots to be in. There are some really cool options of science fiction, tattooed, and Christmas, modeling, professional headshots, public speaker, casual, business, etc. Headshots are the most popular, so we will try that. But I'm also tempted to try out public speaker. So because I do a lot of public speaking, so it might pay to have some cool images like this. So I'll select that and click on continue. The next step is to upload your pictures. So some tips to remember for good pictures is that they should be high resolution portraits, sharp photos with a good lighting, and photos should be recent, including a variety of places, angles, clothing, and expressions. Bad photos are screenshots, pictures with other subjects in the photo, even pictures with you and your dog are not going to work well when it comes to training. So make sure that only you are there in the picture, not anybody else. Then we will click on upload. I have uploaded 10 photos, then the AI gives me a score of my photo variety. Great. So as you can see, I have uploaded 10 pictures that are all in different backgrounds, different attires, sort of different angles. Before you click on submit, you have to give it a once over that there are only photos of you and not other animals or people, variety of expressions, good lighting, high resolution. Great. So then we'll click on your affirm. that you have read all the terms and conditions and the content uploaded is your own and not anybody else's. Then click on upload my photos. Doing that, you will get the message that your order is in process and you will get an email in less than 24 hours when it's completed. So let's wait and see how this pictures turn out from photopacks.ai. My order is now ready, and before you get surprised, let me just tell you that I was so amazed by how cost effective PhotoPacks AI is that after I placed the order for public speaker, I went ahead and placed two more orders for business and for professional headshots. I know I have no self control, but this tool is so awesome. The interface is so easy to use. I was really tempted. So let's go ahead and check out how these professional headshots look like. So first I'm going to start with the business photos. Clicking on this, and let's take a look at these pictures. Now as you can see at first glance, this picture, these two pictures, they look super realistic. The rest of them are a little off because I have noticed this in other AI tools as well. When I don't have very symmetrical teeth, so when I smile, my smile doesn't look like the typical average smile a person would expect. But this is gold. Doesn't it look exactly like me? Maybe a little younger version of me, but definitely it's super beautiful. This as well. Uh, if I had to actually pose for a picture like this, I don't know how much effort and time it would take, but PhotoPacks AI has made it super easy. This is my favorite picture of the lot. This is so professional. Love the outfit, love the hair, looks exactly like mine. And the best part is if you zoom in a little, you can see that there is some fine lines, some texture to the skin. Like I have noticed a few other AI headshot tools, they make your skin fully airbrushed. It looks very photoshopped, but this in here, the hair has some frizz to it, the skin has some texture to it, there are some laugh lines, there is some wrinkles around my eyes, which makes it look so natural, and I'm really happy with this picture. I can easily use it on my LinkedIn and nobody would say this is AI generated. Not just this, out of these 100 photos that I generated using PhotoPacks AI, there are at least 30 photos that I can use, and for the amount that I spent, this is a gold mine. PhotoPacks AI definitely has over delivered. It has exceeded my expectations, especially with pictures like this that look super natural. So whenever you like some pictures out of the bunch that are generated by PhotoPacks AI, you can just click the download button and save the ones that you like. So these were my business headshots. I hope you loved them as much as I did. Let's go back to my orders and check out the headshots package. This is another bunch of professional headshots that PhotoPacks AI generated for me, and this is one of my favorites. I love this picture, love the skin texture, the hair texture, the eyes, the lips, everything looks so natural. Like some of them are off, like this is definitely off, and this is also not very like me. There are hits and misses, of course, but like I mentioned, for the price that you pay, even if you get 20 usable pictures, I think that's a win-win situation. There are a lot of different outfits in this package. There are a lot of different styles, some outdoor shots, some terrace shots, some studio shots. I am a fan of the range of pictures that I get. This one is very cute and very accurate. Doesn't it look like me? Now let's check out the public speaker headshots. So these are definitely interesting. Like these look like they are pictures of me caught mid action. Like I'm speaking and in between my speech, somebody clicked a picture. Very natural and very candid. Love this as well. It's like I'm talking to someone holding a bunch of papers, very professional. It's like some of them are also on the TEDx stage. which makes it look very nice and very authentic. I love these images of the public speaker model as well. Uh, Very interesting, definitely worth a shot. So, if you are intrigued by these amazing pictures that PhotoPax AI has generated for me, you can get some for yourself too. I already showed you the entire process. All you have to do is go to the link in the description of this video or the first comment and give yourself an AI photo shoot today. So that was my honest experience of using PhotoPax AI to generate professional headshots for yourself. I hope you found this tool as useful and versatile as I did. Feel free to try this out. The link is right there in the description and the first comment of this video. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts after trying this tool. How many headshots you got, where all you have used these headshots, and how you found the overall experience of using this cool tool. This was another episode in my brand new series, AI with Anangsha, where I review cool new AI tools and technology and share my honest review with you. If you like this video, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future content like this. I'll see you again super soon. Until then, stay awesome and keep hustling. Cheers.